If you are a first-time home buyer in Singapore, one of your biggest questions you are probably asking is, should I go for a BTO or a resale flat? Today I'm going to break down the pros and cons for both. Look at the timeline, share my take on which option might suit you best depending on your stage of life. Let's dive in. So I'll do the comparison for BTO and resale based on 7 key points. Number 1. Price. BTO is generally cheaper and is heavily subsidized. Resale flat is usually more expensive upfront. Number 2. Waiting time. BTO from application to collect keys, expect about 3 to 5 years, sometimes longer if there is construction delays. For resale, it's much faster moving, usually 4 months after paperwork, and if you give the seller 3-month extension, at most it's 7 months. Number 3. Remaining lease. For BTO, it is brand new, full 99-year lease, giving a long-term value. For resale, the lease length depends on the flat's age. Number 4. Size. For BTO, newer flats tend to be smaller. For resale, often more spacious. Number 5. Grants available. For BTO, there's only one grant because it's already heavily subsidized called the Enhanced Housing Grant. For resale, there is 3 grants in total. There is CPF Housing Grant, Proximity Grant, and Enhanced Housing Grant. Number 6. The renovation required. For BTO is brand new, a blank canvas for your dream home. For resale is 2 drastic difference. It could be super original condition which need a full renovation, or it could be a very beautiful renovated unit. Number 7. Location and amenities. For BTO, the options given are based on what HDB provides. So you may or may not get your preferred location. For resale, you can pick your ideal location, even down to the specific blocks, or stay near mall, MRT, or even your parents. My honest take, at the end of the day, a lot comes down to the luck with the ballot, and if you have the luxury of time to wait. If you are young, flexible, and can wait, BTO is a safe and affordable choice. But if you need a home now, you want more space, or a specific area, resale will be better for you. But remember, it's not about which is better overall. It's about what's better for you and your current stage of life. I am Desiree. If you enjoy this breakdown, comment below any other property topics you would like me to cover next. I would love to make a video that answers your question.